When you start narrating your audiobook for the first time, you're going to realize that it's a lot harder than you might have thought it would be. It is incredibly easy to stumble over your words, say a line incorrectly, have to pause to swallow or take a breath or clear the saliva from your mouth. It'll get easier the more that you do it, but really there's no avoiding these little mistakes and errors that you're going to make semi frequently. What a lot of professionals try to do in this situation is stay in flow. They're going to make the error, they're going to mark the error, and then they're just going to continue narrating and then edit out that error later. Prozody makes this easy with something that we call error flags. When you're recording, you'll notice a small flag button to the right of the mic. Whenever you make a mistake, simply click the flag to mark the error, and then continue reading. And when you're done recording, you'll see the flags appear in your transcript, which make it very easy to identify where you made an error and need to cut it out. But here's the thing about the error flags that, not gonna lie, we are very proud of. Most errors are going to involve you having to repeat something you already said. In that case, click the error flag before you repeat the line and continue recording. And when you're done recording, lo and behold, Prozody recognizes that a line was repeated and suggests the line or passage that you need to cut out. And you can do so using the scissors button. And finally, if you want to remove a flag after resolving an error, you can do so by clicking on the flag and selecting Remove Flag. And that's how you can use the error flags to make recording and editing so much more intuitive. I hope that it excites you as much as it excites us.